If you've just started getting into photography, you might have watched some tutorials where they tell you to use manual mode almost straight away. And if you don't use manual mode, you're not a proper photographer, which is terrible advice. The way I look at it is that the camera has a whole set of different modes and they all serve a purpose. They are important, and that is why on most cameras, they're on a prominent dial on the top of the camera. I shoot in aperture priority a lot of the time, especially if I want to control how blurry that background is, or if the conditions are changing a lot, but I don't exclusively shoot in aperture priority mode. If I'm photographing fast cars, motocross races, or anything that has some speed, I'll switch to shutter priority. Then all I'll have to worry about is shutter speed, and the camera will take care of everything else. If I'm photographing portraits and I have complete control over the lighting, then I'll use manual mode. And also, when I'm photographing the stars at night, I'll also use manual mode in that situation. And from this, straight away, if you can control the light conditions completely, or if it's a really low pressured environment like astrophotography in the middle of the night, these are the times when manual mode is fantastic, as you control absolutely everything. One way manual mode is great is in a low pressured environment. So if you really want to learn about your camera, go for a walk in the local park, put it in manual mode and play with those three principal settings so you get a better understanding of them. Now, in having auto on the camera, you can always have this to go back to if you get confused or if you get mixed up as to what setting does what. So not only are there different modes for different shooting environments, but also there are different modes for different skill levels, but only to a certain level. Most pro photographers will choose the mode that suits the shooting conditions that they're in. So don't fret if you're in auto mode, or if you're in one of the semi-automatic modes, or even program mode. If it works for you, who really cares what mode you're in? Now, if you like this video, click here next. And if you want to binge watch a load of these quick tips, click down here. And if you haven't already, be sure to subscribe for weekly tutorials in photography. I'll see you next time.